Hey everyone, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Replit to clone a website and make it your own, just like this. By the end of this video, you'll have your own fully working no-code app based from an existing design. And I'll teach you how to make something like this. This is a clone of Pinterest, customized to my own design. And you can customize it to your own as well. Now, before we get started, make sure to click our affiliate link down below to get the most out of your subscription and sign up to Replit Core right now. And with that note, let's start this video. So again, this is Replit, and what we're going to try to do is we're going to try cloning an app in this prompt page. And the app in particular, or website in particular, is Pinterest. And now all you really have to do to clone this website, if you want to create your own social media, to share images, GIFs, or videos, then you don't have to start from scratch. You can just copy the link, copy the context, and paste it here in Replit, and it will do it for you. So let's try prompting it to make something. So I want you to create a clone of Pinterest, and just paste the link. And the cool thing about this is you can take a screenshot, get a context, extract branding. Let's have it as is because it can already access the link. And let's have it, let's say, copy the design so I can make my own, just the side elements. I'll add the functions later so you can see for yourselves how to do it. And just that simple prompt, that simple idea. We can ask it to start building. We can even import files. So let's say I want to give it an easier time. Let's try uploading a screenshot of it. We can even paste that there. So you can ask it to take a screenshot. We can upload our own. So let's try uploading our own just to show you, especially if the site is unreachable. Sometimes social media sites are unreachable because it blocks bots. So it's a good thing to know that you can do it yourself. Now, we can see that it's building in real time. The app that you wanted, the social media site that you cloned from Pinterest, it's building it in real time. And all you have to do is wait a few minutes and it's going to be ready for you to preview, to edit, and to use as you wish. Now I'm going to pause it to wait for it to finish and I'll show you the results. So as we can see, it has now finished copying and cloning the Pinterest site. It even has this logo and it even copied some stock free images. So don't worry, it's going to use stock free images when it uses dummy images for creating the app. And if you look at the chatbot, you can see a summary of what it's built, some responsive headers, some category grids. Here, category grids. Although there's no functionality for the buttons yet, at least it's given you the building blocks, to start to build from there. Because that's what I wanted to show you. I intentionally said not to put the functionalities because that's what we're going to do now. And if you're a coder, you can see all the code that is done. Although that's not something we're going to delve into today, but it's cool as a developer if you have that tech savvy knowledge to be able to see the code itself. Now, okay, it's even prompting us to publish, but not yet. We want to add changes. So we want a description and related images to pop up when clicking any of the photos. Please populate with dummy data. And we don't want this to be Pinterest anymore. We want to personalize the site to our own brand. Call it, let's say, picturesque, something like that. Use our own logo and change the color scheme. Change the color scheme to a black and orange color scheme to really personalize the site, add user functionality as well. So what we're doing in this prompt is, so we want to add, we're specific in what we want to add. We want this photos tab description. We want the color scheme and the brand to be personalized to us. But I added a last thing, add user functionality as well. So we can see how well the AI in Replit adapts to vague prompts. And we can see how it is a step ahead in website design. So click enter and then see it build in real time. I'm going to pause and come back when it's done. Okay, and we're back here and we can see the edits that it's made. Now, it's sometimes we're doing this tutorial on a free plan. Sometimes it'll prompt you to upgrade for better results. So really, I recommend you upgrade, and you can use your affiliate link again down below to get the best out of your subscription. But we can see that it edited the title and the color scheme to the best of our abilities, to the best of its abilities, and I can say it executed our prompt pretty well. Now the design is more ours, and we have the freedom, really, just from giving ideas to change the website from Pinterest to whatever we want it to be. So we can also see that it gives a description for these images. So now it pops up with the description, and really we can do whatever we want. Okay, now let's again try to do something else with it. Let's try to add a search function for this. So you can see that these are just the inspiration. Let's try adding a search function. Add the search function to it. And we can see it work in real time again. I'm going to pause and come back again. So we can see that it finished. And really, I'm just showing you that you can change this as many times as you want. That's why we're doing this. To show you that you can adapt. You can make this app as much yours as it is when you start it. You can prompt as many times as you want. Now let's test search. Now, so what's going to search is the titles here. So let's find this first. And look, it start putting it in. If you find something not there, don't show. So it's going to look for these titles here. And if we pick a specific one, it's going to show that one. And really, I really just wanted to show you that you can change the app how many ever times that you want until you're satisfied. When you are, then again, now we all know, you can click in the top right, publish your app. If you upgrade to any of the Replit plans, you can get avail of these deals, and make sure to click our affiliate link for that. Now, but if we go home, you can see our app here. You can edit it for now, especially if you've hit your limits, and come back later. So you can just see in your recent apps, click that again, and you can continue, go back to the preview, continue editing as you wish. Really, as I've said before, the power is really yours. And the cool thing about Replit is you can turn your ideas into reality, your business processes made faster, your MVPs ready for market use. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up with Replit, use our affiliate link, and enjoy the power of AI no-code tools right now. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.